everybody. This is the journey, as you can see from my YouTube name. And this is gonna be my first video. Just sitting around thinking, why not start a YouTube channel? And just start it. See how it goes. First, I'm gonna explain what the YouTube channel is gonna be about. It's gonna be about educational stuff, and I mean that could be boring to some people, but I'm just gonna be trying breaking down some stuff. The first stuff that comes to mind is art. Why this channel is gonna be somewhat different from other art channels is because I'm a beginner, like yourself, and beginners fail a lot. You have to go through a lot to learn the concept. I just started on this sketchbook. It's not really a sketchbook, but something to draw on. And I know, I still remember what I did to be able to achieve stuff like this. And most professionals, I mean, they could tell you the concept, but they already they've gobbled what made them able to do it. What was their technique? How they were able to do it? But I still know. I still remember because I'm still a beginner, and this is a way to make content. Just show people how I do this. I mean, I'm not really good. I'm still a beginner, like I said. It's a way to help people who are just starting to learn. Okay, it's the first video, and hopefully by tomorrow I don't give up. Just keep doing this. And by tomorrow we're gonna start first lesson. Don't stop.